All right. Well, so today we're going to be talking about a topic that's very near and dear, and obviously something that happens a lot among families with kids with ADHD. And this concept of creating connection and managing emotion through co-regulation. Can you kick us off with explaining what all those big words mean?
I'd be happy to. They are a lot of big words.
Yes.
When I think about ADHD, I think it's not the best name for actually what's going on in the brain. And I'm sure you probably agree with that. But when I think about it, it's a disorder or a problem with regulating both behaviors and attention and emotion. So I think emotion often gets kind of like overlooked as one of the primary symptoms that we see in a lot of kids that have ADHD. I think it was Dr. Ned Hallowell said race car brain with bicycle brakes.
Yes.
And I really love that analogy. But what I also say is we have race car emotions. They often parents will say, my kid's going from 0 to 60 and then they get lost and then they can't calm down. And what do I do about this? And that's kind of where we come in with, okay, well, how do we help their brakes? How do we grow their calm is what I would say. And part of how we do that is with co-regulation, which essentially means co-regulation means that people can either catch the distress of what's around them or they can catch their calm of what's around them. And so that's what the goal is. A lot of times this co-regulation means I have to step back. I have to figure out and kind of take care of myself first, and that can pass that to my child. Because we all know that if our child is upset and then we get upset, it usually just escalates and nobody is very happy with the outcome of that.